to change straps on the Redmi Watch 6, first of all, of course, we need to detach current straps that we have. So we need to take a look at the back of the watch, and over here on both sides, at the top and at the bottom, we have these buttons which we need to press in order to detach the band from the watch. So this is what we need to do. So simply press it, and then you can easily remove the strap. And then if you try to attach the strap or band, you can just simply push it into the display, into the watch. You don't have to press that button anymore when you try to attach it. There we go. It should clip into the slot quite easily, into its space, into its place. And of course, we can do exactly the same thing with the upper side. Just press the button over here with your thumb, for example, and then you can remove the strap. And then if you try to attach the new one, you can just simply press it into the watch. You don't have to press that button when trying to attach. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.